Crazy seagull. I think he's probably like down.
Maybe one of his is having fucking seagulls over here.
Yeah, he's probably got Down syndrome or something. Oh, he just shit about. Alright, try Scott. Look, he's coming for me! He's fucking. He's looking for a fight, he is. Look. He's gone crazy.
Come on in.
He's aggressive. Yeah, give me a bat. I've got a golf club in there. Fine, I'll take him out. Keep it up, I've got a catapult at home. I'll take you out tonight. Silent. Look, he's going for the other. Look at him. What's wrong with him?
I'd love it if I just let him in eat him.
He's got into someone's stash. He's on meth.
Bro,
He's on.
many bevies, man, in 10.
Yeah, he's gone into the wrong bag of rubbish, like. Someone's chucked their coke out by accident.